Hi guys, so now it's the continuation of our Christmas chandelier. So the next part is I'm going to show you, we're going to do the ribbons, and then the last thing is all the icicles to hang out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cover up the middle of the chandelier. So I'm just going to get a length of ribbon and some wire, some thickish galvanized wire. Cut a little length. Then we're going to just wire that off, so we can attach it really up here. But then some big bows are going to come here to really make it full. Okay. So we're going to wire that. And just really attach it into the top. Don't worry if it looks a bit messy, because actually we're going to put big ribbons here to really fill it up. So quickly wire that in. Then we're just going to really hide the middle with our velvet. All right. Just go all the way down. Okay, once we're here, we just get a bit more wire and just attach it. Just around. Voila. Perfect. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to make a bow, just a quick bow that's going to come here. So I'm going to make one for you, but then I've pre-made some others. So again, we get a length of wire. Not too short, and then we lay them over, not on top of each other, and just pleat that in. We always leave a short end. Then we go around and keep that quite tight, that one. So here we're going to make two loops the same. So we go around tight, then again, keep the long wire really tight. Then we're just going to wire it off, like so, because the tails we're going to leave to hang. So then we cut them off, voila, and the ends, we're just going to make points, so you just fold them in half, and we cut on the diagonal, like so, and again. And again, so we have nice points. So this we're going to wire. See, we have the base here, so this we're going to cover that. So we're going to wire it here to really fill out in the middle. And then with the tails, we're going to bring them down and really like pleat them. So it makes the base underneath really full as well. And really fluff this out. So see then, then we're going to do 4 more, so it's really going to be full. These ones are pre-done, so I'm just going to quickly add them in. We pre-made these. And then you see that's really looking full here and a bit lavish, so it's fantastic. I also made some bows that we're going to fill this part as well. So this one I just did in tree without the train, the tail. So here we're going to really put it underneath the roses to really fill in that gap. And again, open it up. One. Turn him around. Another one. Just wire it in. And again, really open it out so you fill in all the empty spaces. And then the last. Oh. Again. And then you see all the mess we had before, it's hidden. It's perfect. And then the last thing we're going to do, because this for me is quite full, is we're just going to hang our chandelier drops. So we have our nice icicles with all the crystals on, like this, and we're just going to hang them all out. Again, I just put a thin wire on it, and so then it makes it easy to put it out on the branch. So we're just going to twist that on. And I'm going to do 3 per thing to really make the chandelier look super. Okay. So we just wire them on really quick. Okay, so guys, that's the quick and easy way to make and pimp up our Christmas chandelier. So I hope you enjoyed it and see you again. Bye.